Today we're exploring a simple but fascinating reaction between aluminum chloride, sodium hydroxide, and hydrochloric acid. We begin with a clear aluminum chloride solution. As sodium hydroxide is added, the solution immediately starts to turn cloudy. Within seconds, a thick white precipitate appears throughout the beaker. This white solid is aluminum hydroxide, which forms when aluminum ions react with hydroxide ions. The reaction removes aluminum ions from the solution and creates an insoluble compound, giving the mixture its milky appearance. Now comes the interesting part. Hydrochloric acid is added slowly to the cloudy mixture. As the acid reacts with the aluminum hydroxide, the white precipitate gradually begins to dissolve. Little by little, the solution loses its cloudy appearance and becomes clear again. The reason is that the acid converts the solid aluminum hydroxide back into dissolved aluminum ions, allowing the precipitate to disappear completely. This experiment is an excellent demonstration of precipitation and acid-base chemistry. By simply changing the chemical conditions, a solid can be created and then dissolved again in the very same container. Chemistry is amazing because even simple reactions can produce dramatic visual changes that reveal what's happening at the molecular level. Chemistry is amazing. Subscribe to Shock Lab for more experiments.